Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I will show you if you're trying to send messages on iPhone and you are facing the problem messages not delivered on iPhone. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this problem if you're having this type of problem messages not delivered. So now let's get started how you can fix this. First of all, here you will have to just simply open setting of your iPhone device. And after that, first of all, you will have to make sure that you are using strong internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, then you will have to disconnect with Wi-Fi and connect it again. And if you're using mobile data, then you will have to turn off your mobile data and turn it on again and check that the problem fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then you will have to again open message app. And then after that, you will have to again close this and then again try to send the messages. And if you're having still this problem, then you will have to open setting. After that, here you will need to scroll it below, find here message app. So here is message, just simply tap on this. Then after that, here's option of send and receive, just simply open this. And after that, here if the Apple ID is selected, then you will have to select the mobile phone number, and if the mobile phone number is selected, then you will have to select the Apple ID and then try to send the messages and check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you will have to again open setting, then scroll it below, tap on screen time, just simply tap on content and privacy restrictions. Then here make sure that the content and privacy restriction toggle is turned off from here. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then again open setting, then scroll it below, just simply tap on message. After that, here's the iMessage, just turn off the toggle iMessage and turn it on again, then scroll it below. So here is the MMS messaging, just simply turn on this toggle and then scroll it below. And then here is option of keep messages, here select forever and check that the problem fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then you will have to again open setting, then here turn on the airplane mode and turn it off again, and after that again send the message app and try to send the message. And if you're having still this problem, then you will have to again open setting, scroll it below, tap on general, tap on software update, and here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version, iOS 17.1.2, and after that check that the problem fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then you will have to again open setting, then tap on general, then here scroll it below, tap on background app refresh, and here make sure that the background app refresh is turned on. Then after that, scroll it below, tap on date and time and make sure that your iPhone date and time is correct. And after that, scroll it below, tap on VPN and device management, and here make sure that you are not connected with VPN. If you are connected with VPN, then you will have to disconnect with VPN and try again later and check that the problem fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then at the last you will have to just simply tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset. Then here you will need to just simply tap on reset network setting, enter here your iPhone passcode, and after that check that the problem fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then you'll have to again tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset. Then here you will need to just simply tap on reset all settings. So after all the settings, hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to send messages on iMessage on your iPhone device. So hopefully this video will be helpful for you. If this is helpful for you, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.